Hi everyone. Now we will see some more tags in detail. Now let's write paragraph tag, that is P. We have to take any paragraph or information and we have to close the paragraph tag. Paragraph is a paid tag. We have to close. After closing the paragraph tag, now save the file. After saving, just open it in web browser. Now you can see reload. Now you can see here. If you want any break after the full stop, just use here capital BR or small br. It is a single tag, only single tag will be used. After writing, just save. Now again open. Now again reload. Now you can see it is in next line. Then again open notepad. Still we will do some modifications. Then again see for another full stop. Then keep BR. After keeping BR tag, now we will check whether it is correct or not. Then we will change the heading name as Virat Kohli. Then we will change the title of the web page also to biography. Now we will save the file and we will reload. Yes, now you can see biography as title, Virat Kohli as heading. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.